So my dear student, welcome you all, and today I am going to explain how to draw the displacement diagram for SHM, and again after that I will explain how to draw the cam profile also. Okay, so SHM is a simple harmonic motion. This is the one type of a follower's motion. Okay, so here in the question that it will be mentioned the size of the follower as S. Okay, for example it may be given some values in terms of millimeter because that is the size or the length. Okay, this is the length of the follower or maximum lift of the follower, you can say that. Okay, so S will be given. S is nothing but what? It is the stroke or it is the total lift of the follower. Okay, remember. Now there will be given outstroke or there will be given as outstroke, you can say it is a rise stroke. Okay, the value it will be given in terms of like it can be given as 40, 50 or 30, anything it will be given, or stroke angle will be given. And again rest or dwell. Okay, dwell is nothing but it is the rest or constant there, so it can be given again any angle, right? After that return stroke it will be given. Okay, so in general I am telling, it is not given values I am taking randomly. Return stroke it is the again some value will be given, like it can be descent or anything it is mentioned, return stroke. So again you can take as 30 degree. So whatever remaining it will be there out of 360, that is the remaining dwell. Okay, last one it is the remaining dwell. You can say this one remaining dwell. Sometimes it can be mentioned in the question or you have to calculate. For example, the total is 60 plus 60, total it becomes 180 degree for the given 3. So remaining how much it will be in 160? So it will be remaining is 180 degree only. Like that these three you have to calculate and the remaining will be dwell. Sometimes it will be mentioned or sometimes you have to just check it manually. Okay, so after that these are the value will be given for only for the displacement diagram. This is required. Okay, so remaining values can be required for the cam profile. Okay, not for displacement diagram. So first we will learn how to draw the displacement diagram for only SHM. Okay, so here first you have to make one vertical axis, one horizontal axis to draw the displacement diagram. Okay, so here you can draw an x-axis and draw y-axis. Okay, and after that again make one rectangular shape like this. Okay, right. So after that just remove here. So this y-axis it represents the size of this soap, whatever the values it will be given. For example, you can take 20, 30, 40 mm, anything. So if it is given as say 50 mm, then take this height as 50. Okay, and you have to mention the scale before making the drawing. You have to mention the scale. So how to take the scales? This is very important because sometimes the examination can be conducted in your mini drafter or drawing sheet, or sometimes it can be through your answer directly. So here x-axis, y-axis you have to take the scale. So 40 mm, 40, 50 mm you can draw directly in the answer sheets. Okay, so I will say 10 mm is equal to 10 mm. So no changes, sorry, no changes in the y-axis, not x-axis. So here 10 mm is equal to 10 mm you can take. But whereas in x-axis, here you have to draw total 360 degree. So that is not possible in the our answer scripts. Okay, so you have to change the scale. So I will take 10 mm is equal to like 30 degree I will take. Okay, 30 degree I will make it. Okay, hope you understood. So for 10 mm you have to take as 30 degree now. So this y it represent the size S, and where this total angle of rotation 360 degree you have to draw in the x-axis. Y-axis lo only you have to take the size, right? So after that For SHM, only for the SHM, you have to find the midpoint here. So if it is 50 mm, say it is 50 mm, total stroke length or the lift of the follower is, maximum lift of the follower is 50 mm. So the midpoint it will be 25, and from that take this as radius and make a curve. Okay, make a semicircle here like this. Okay, by taking this as radius and draw a semicircle. So after that, divide this semicircle into number of equal parts. Say n is the number of even parts. Okay, it should be even parts. You can divide into 2 parts, you can divide 4, 6, 8, anything. Okay, now if you want to divide by like 2 parts, it's only how it is there, and if you want to divide it by 4 parts, so this is 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. It is divided in 4 parts. So after that 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Try to reduce as number of division, because anyhow you will get the spline curve by making this smooth. Okay, now don't go more than 6, right? So maximum 4 to 6 you can divide. So after that, after dividing that, so here you have to divide, this is the total we are representing as 360 degree. Okay, this line, x-axis line is total length is 360 degree. Okay, so everything you have to mention in the form of angle only. Okay, degree. So here x-axis 10 mm is equal to 30 we have taken as per scale. For example, here in this question it is mentioned the outstroke is 30 degree, so it means 10 mm. So take the scale from here to here, take 10 mm and mark here. So this from here to here, it is what? It is the outstroke, theta naught. How much angle it should be? 30 degree. But how much you have taken? 10 mm only. Okay, in scale it is 10 mm only, but you are representing 30 degree. So after getting this point, just draw a vertical line from that point. So this space, it becomes an outstroke. Okay, so after that the next is dwell. How much is the dwell is given in the question, that you have to check. Hope it is 60 degree. So from here to here 60 means it should be 20 mm. Okay, double. So from here to here 10 mm, again 20. So let us assume here. So this is what? Dwell, 60 degree. So from here to another next is the return stroke, 30 degree. So again 10 mm, take a distance of 10 mm. So this is 10 mm, 10 mm is nothing but 30 degree. Okay, return stroke. So whatever the remaining it will be there, that is the remaining dwell only. It means 180. So 180 means how much it will be? If you take 10 mm in 30 degree, if you convert it, so it will be 60 mm. So remaining 60 you have to draw, but you have to write as 180 degree only. This is the dwell, remaining dwell. Okay, so now you have to create a profile of the like SHM. It means the displacement diagram or displacement graph. Okay, so you have divided this semicircle into 4 equal parts, even equal parts. Same thing you have to divide in the horizontal also. Horizontal it is given as 30 degree, it means actually it is 10 mm. So 10 mm divided by how many parts? 4 parts. We have chosen 4, right? So you have to divide by 10 by 4. Okay, it means around 2.5. Okay, so 2.5 every steps you have to take. So 2.5 one division, 2.2, 2.5, like 4 division you have made, and again from that point draw a vertical line. Okay, now so from this 0 to 1, so this point, curve on the point, draw a horizontal line till the return stroke. Okay, till the return stroke you have to draw horizontal line, because during outstroke and return stroke both it makes SHM only. Okay, so that's why you have to draw this horizontal line. You will use the scale from this point, fix your point here and take the pencil and continue till the end like this. Similarly, move the scale to the midpoint. From there again take the pencil till the end. Now go to the third point, take the pencil and draw till the end. Okay, so like this. Now use this. Okay, so where the points are connecting now, this is very important. So here again whatever you have divided here 1, 2, 3, 4, you have to mention the numbering like this. So first point and this point on the curve both are intersecting here. This one both are intersecting here. Similarly, second point where it is intersecting at this point, third here and the fourth one at the end. Okay, so if you draw actually it makes a spline curve like this. From here just make a spline curve. It is not a straight, remember it is an curve, it produces curve. So here it will join the 4 intersect. After that the dwell, it means rest, you have to drag a horizontal line. Okay, oh sorry, up to here only, the dwell will be up to here, remaining dwell you can check here. So make a thick line as compared to the other so that the curves can be visible. So after that again you have to divide this 30 degree in the same format, 4 parts. So but you have to make the numbering in the reverse format, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, again draw these vertical lines like this. So here first one is connecting or intersecting here, second is here, third is here, yeah here, and this is the fourth one. So same the line or the same the curve, it is getting down with our free hand curves. Okay, use free hand like this. So from this point where it is ended, so from that again drag a horizontal line till the end. So this curve or this line should be thick. Okay, so from here to here it should be thick. So in this way you can draw the displacement diagram for SHM. Okay, so in the next class I will explain how to draw the cam profile. Okay, so thank you for watching.